You. What is all of this?
I think it's called still water.
What is that?
How it sounds. Those who know understand. You're not supposed to drink it or anything.
I wasn't gonna do that anyways.
What in the world?
Unit 23 to dispatch.
Go ahead.
27, 35, 23 are searching West 12th Avenue for the two kids that went missing, scouting around the library and Washington School.
10-4.
They're notorious for searching abandoned buildings, so maybe they're inside the school. We're going to search inside the school. Okay, we are in. Lots of water on the ground.
Dispatch to Unit 23, is everything okay? Dispatch to Unit 23, can you respond? Are you responsive?
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Stillwater Police Department. There have been reports of multiple sightings of supernatural beings roaming throughout the town of Stillwater this morning. Based on observations, it is apparent that these creatures, if exposed, will charge towards you and force feed you still water, infecting your body and transforming you into a creature. They are identified to be tiny but vicious beings willing to control you. If you see any of these creatures, run and hide as quickly as possible, as if your life depends on it.
The following message is being forwarded by the United States government in conjunction with the United States Department of Health and Human Services. Recently, an extremely hazardous variation of still water was found inside of an abandoned building in Stillwater, Oklahoma, and was responsible for turning humans into supernatural creatures. Several residents throughout the state of Oklahoma have been infected, and this weird phenomenon continues to evolve. Any remaining residents are being urged to shelter in place and only drink clean water in their possession. The same goes for the entire country. Typically, still water is known as water carrying dangerous bacteria or pathogens that can get you infected or killed. Only these can occur if you were to drink the water. Things like observing or stepping into them may be harmless. However, it should be avoided at all costs. Please avoid drinking water that appears to be hazardous, as you can experience weird symptoms and potentially an infection that leads to death.